there is an angel in our class. Hello, angel. Why have you come in our class today? I have come to learn the cursive letters A to Z. Oh wow, you also want to learn? You know, angel, my children also know how to write cursive capital and small letters. Yes? So today we are going to revise all the letters on your worksheet page number 32. So what are we going to do? We are going to trace the letters first over here on page number 32. So first write today's date, that is 30/03/2021. And now children, what are you going to do? You are going to trace the capital and small letters. How? I am going to write them on the board, how to write the capital letters and how to write the small cursive letters. So let's begin. So I am going to start with the capital A. So let's start over here. This is cursive capital A. So children, you are going to trace the letters. Let's write capital B. A turn and one more turn. This is cursive capital B. And now let's see how to write cursive capital C. This is cursive capital C. Now let's see cursive capital D. So we're going to make a slant line down, turn, go up, and then turn inside. This is D. Now let's write E. One turn here, one turn here, and one turn inside. This is cursive E. Children, keep on tracing the letters. Now let's write cursive F. A wave. Yes, children, I'm sure now you know how to write the cursive letters. And a skipping line. Now let's write G. A slant line. One turn. Go up, come down. And a slant line again. This is cursive G. Now H. One turn here. Then a slant line here. Go up. And a turn. H. Now I. So curve here, come down, and an inside turn. This is I. Now let's write cursive J. So I'm going to write J over here. A curve, come down, go up. And this is J. Now let's write cursive K. So how am I going to write cursive K? A line here, a slant line, and a slant line, and a curve. This is cursive capital K. Now let's write L. A turn and a curve. Cursive L. Now M. Yes, and it's very simple. Go up, come down like a mountain. And now N. N is also a curve, down, up, and a curve up. Now let's write cursive O. Take a turn and curve and a circle. And now children, we are going to make a curve over here. For O. This is capital O. Now let's write capital P. A round line, turn and curve inside. Capital cursive P. Now let's write cursive capital Q. After P comes Q. So it is same like O. Inside and a tail. This is Q. And what is the sound of Q? What? Now let me write R. Here I am going to write R, and you are going to trace in your book the letters. Now S, and keep on tracing the letters, children. A curve, and then now we know that all the capital letters we start from the red line. Yes? And now after S comes T. So this is T. And then comes U. After T comes U. A turn. And now you go down. And a curve over here. This is U. And now how to write V? Yes, we are going to make a curve here. And then make a V. And a turn. W. Now after V comes W. Again turn. Make a W. Like this. And now children, you are going to make a small T. Now after W, X. Go down and a slant line. X. Now capital Y. So children, here I have written the capital letters A to Z. This is Y. And the last letter which I am going to write is Z. So here I have completed the capital cursive letters A to Z. I have written all the capital letters from A to Z. So I am sure children you have finished tracing the capital letters A to Z. And now children, let's begin writing the small letters A to Z. So what I am going to do is, I am going to write it over here till the end. So let's begin. So here I am going to start the small A, blue line to blue line, then small B, and children, you are going to keep on writing C, D, after D comes E. After D is letter E. So we are writing the small letters A, B, C, D, E. Yes? And now after E comes F. Yes, after D and E comes letter F. Slant line here, go up, come down. T. Now let's write G. How is letter G? Yes, now we know that we make a C, and then now we are going to make a G like this. H. Yes, the next letter is H. So now we know that the small letters come in blue to blue line. So this is H. A small T. Yes. After H comes I. This is I. And now after I, J. So keep on writing, children. You have to trace all the cursive letters. These are the small letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. The next letter is K. Here I am going to write K, and now after K comes L. Yes, the next letter is L. After L comes M. So M is slant line up, go down, go up, and then a small tail. M, and then N. This is letter N. Now let's write O. So I'm going to write O over here. Like this. And after O comes P. children keep on writing the letters. After P comes Q. R. S. So S is same as the capital S, but it is in the blue to blue line, children. S. T. Yes. And now, after T comes U. This is the way you are going to write U. And then comes V, a slant line. Up, down, up and a curve. After V, W. So here we are going to write letter W. This is the way we are going to write cursive small W. Now X. Y. And the last letter is, after Y comes Z. Yes. So the last letter, children, is Z. So here I have complete writing the capital letters and the small letters. So children, I am sure you all have traced along with me on page number 32. And now what are we going to do? We are going to turn our page to page number 34, and here we are going to trace and write the missing letters. We are going to trace the letters which are given over here, and yes, we are going to write the missing letters. And what are we going to do? We can rewrite the missing letters from here also. Yes. So the first thing, today's date, and today is 30. So write here 3030 03 2021, and what the instructions are given to us? Trace and write missing cursive letters. So here we are going to trace the letters, and then we are going to write the missing letters also. So let's get started. So everybody trace along with me the capital cursive A. And now how are we going to write B? Yes, we can write the B from here also. The next letter is B. So let's write B. And these are the capital cursive letters. We are going to trace C. And now we are going to write D. So turn, go up and a curve. D. Let's trace E. So keep on tracing and writing the letters. F. A wave, a turn and a sleeping line. That is F. G, a big curve to the red line and then to the red line, and the first blue line we are going to make a slant line, that is cursive G. After G comes H. So let's write H. Children, this all how many times we practice, we will understand and we will know how to write the cursive letters. So children, keep on practicing along with me. Let's write I after G, H, I. I is over here. So let's write I. This is I. Then J you are going to trace. After J you are going to write K, a curve and a slant line and a tail. L, trace. M you are going to trace. N you are going to write. And yes, you can write it from here. Here is the N. Yes. Then O. P. Write it from here. And now I'm sure children you can write by yourself also. Q. You know how are the tails and curves of the letters. R. And there is letter R. Let's see. Here is letter R. Yes. And then comes S. After R, S. And the T. U. Where is the U? This is the U. U. And then V. We are writing the capital cursive letters W and now X, Y, and the last letter is the Z. So I have traced and written the missing letters A to Z. These are the capital letters. And now let's write the small letters. The same thing we are going to do over here. We are going to trace and write the missing letters. So let's get started. So with the curve we start writing A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H, I, J. Yes, all the letters are children here behind given to us. We have to just rewrite it and we have to trace also. H, I, J, K, L, M, a slant line up, down and a tail. N, O, let's write O, P, Q. We are writing small cursive letters, children. R, S, T, U. Where is the U? Here is letter U. So here we are going to rewrite the letters. So let's write U, V, slant line up and a tail. W, X. The sound of X is X. Y. And the last letter is Z. From the blue line to the second red line. So here I have finished tracing and writing letters small A to Z. So here I have written the capital letters and here I have written the small letters. And now children, for your home extension activity, what are you going to do is, you're going to go back to the page number 33 where there is again the tracing of letters A to Z. So you're going to write today's date and this is your home extension activity. So it is homework page. See, homework. So you're going to write today's date 30/03/2021 and trace and write cursive letters A to Z. Yes, we have already traced it one time. This is for your practice. Tell your mommy papa to click the photo of page number 33 and then you're going to send it to me. And now children, turn to page number 35 and you have one more home extension worksheet. So turn to page number 35. Here is trace and write missing cursive letters. So you are going to write today's date, that is 30/03/2021. And here again you are going to trace and write the missing letters, capital and small. Yes, you are going to tell your mommy papa to click the photo of page number 33 and 35 and then you are going to send it to me. Yes, so this is all the cursive letters A to Z. And now what are we going to do? Yes, we are going to do numeracy. So children, before starting numeracy, let me write today's date first on the board. Today is 30/03/2021. And children, today we are going to do one more time the word problem. Yes, we are going to do word problem. I'm sure children now you know in the word problem how do we add two numbers. Yes? So we are going to take the same example like we had done yesterday. So what was the example? About chocolates. Yes? So for today, let's think I have 4 chocolates. Listen to me very carefully. I have 4 chocolates. I gave 3 chocolates to Tina. Yes, Tina is not giving me, but I gave 3 chocolates to Tina. Now children, how many chocolates are left with me? I have 4 chocolates. I gave 1, 2, 3 chocolates to Tina. So children, how many chocolates are left with me? 1. Yes. So today we are going to do word problems on subtraction. Yes, we know that subtraction means take away, to give somebody. That is subtraction. And today we are going to do problems on subtraction. So let's get started. Remove your numeracy classwork, book page number 102, which is the last page of your book. And here we are going to write today's date. And then I'm going to tell you what are we going to do in this worksheet. So start writing today's date, 30/03/2021. And as I told you, we are doing word problems. Means we are going to do a sum in a problem. So I'm going to read the thing over here, the question over here, which is given to us. So children, how many cups do Mona have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes children, Mona has 8 cups. So here is number 7. So I think Mona has 8 cups. So what are we going to do? We are going to make this 8 over here. Mona has 8 cups. Yes. Now, Sona broke 3 cups. So minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Why minus? Why is the minus sign over here? Because Mona had 8 cups, out of which Sona broke 3 cups. So 8 minus 3. So where are we going to write these numbers? Yes, in the box given below. Here there are 8 cups. So we are going to write 8 minus 3. So Mona had 8 cups minus, that is, Sona broke 3 cups is equal to how many cups left? So 8 minus 3 is 5. Yes children, 8 minus 3 is 5. So here we are going to write 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. Let's see the next sum. Yash had 9 apples. With him, Yash had 9 apples. Here are the 9 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 apples. Out of them, 5 got lost. 5 got lost. Out of these 9 apples, 5 were missing. 5 got lost. How many apples are left with Yash? So what are we going to do? Yes, we are going to write the number below over here. We know these are 9 apples. So 9. Lost means it is not with Yash. 5 apples are not with Yash. Yash has 9 apples, out of which 5 apples are not with Yash. So minus 5 is equal to how many apples are left with Yash? 5 apples are not there from the 9 apples. So how many are left? Yes, 4 apples are left with Yash. That is 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So everybody write answer over here. 4. Let's do the last word problem. Mummy had 8 cupcakes. With her, Mummy had 8 cupcakes. Let's count the cupcakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Mummy had 8 cupcakes. She gave 2 cupcakes to Sarah. Yes, what she did? Mummy gave 2 cupcakes to Sarah. How many cupcakes are left with Mummy? Yes, here there are 8 cupcakes with Mummy. So we are going to write 8 minus, yes, 2. Why 2? Because 2 cupcakes she gave it to Sarah. Now children, 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Yes, when she gave 2 cupcakes to Sarah, how many cupcakes are left with Mummy? There are 6 cupcakes left with Mummy. So here we finish the word problem, that is for subtraction. And for your home extension activity, what are you going to do is, in your numeracy homework book, page number 140, you are going to do the same worksheet over here by yourself to practice. So for that, you are going to write today's date, 30/03/2021. Don't forget to write your name over here and this simple word problem for subtraction. So children, now we know that Mona had 8 cups. So you are going to write 8 over here first. Yes, and now you are going to solve this word problem of subtraction. Tell your mommy papa to click the photo of 114 worksheet and then you are going to send it to me. And for now children, bye-bye, take care, stay safe, bye children.